We often speak of physical exhaustion, the ache in our muscles after a long day, the weariness that sleep can mend. But not only the body gets tired, the heart does too. It carries a different kind of weight, the weight of unspoken words, of empathy given freely, of quiet disappointments, and the steady hum of daily anxieties. This is a deeper fatigue, one that settles in the soul. Emotional fatigue often appears quietly, creeping in without announcement. It disguises itself in subtle shifts in our being. You might notice you have less patience, where small inconveniences feel like monumental hurdles. The joy you once found in simple pleasures may feel distant, as if you're watching your own life through a pane of glass. A fog of uncertainty can cloud your mind, making decisions feel impossible. This isn't a failure, it's a signal. Just as the body needs rest, the heart also needs restoration. This healing doesn't come from pushing harder, but from yielding softly. It is found in moments of intentional stillness, where you allow the world to spin on without you for a little while. It is found in quiet contemplation or prayer, connecting to a sense of peace that exists beyond the noise. And crucially, it is found in emotional honesty, the courage to admit to yourself, I am not okay right now, without judgment. This honesty is the first step toward true recovery. You must protect this process fiercely. Protect your emotional recovery by setting gentle boundaries. It's okay to say no. It's okay to disconnect. It's okay to choose solitude over a social gathering if that's what your spirit needs. This isn't selfishness, it's self-preservation. It is tending to your own inner garden so that you may have more to offer the world later. So take a moment, right now, breathe in, and as you breathe out, let go of the pressure to be anything other than what you are in this instant. Give yourself permission to be tired, to be quiet, to simply be. Your heart has been working so hard. Now, it's time to listen. Ask your heart what it needs today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.